Hey guys, and it's time to talk about the all-in-one divine galaxy. One that has it all you ever wanted on one Samsung phone. That'll 13 megapixel with f1.9 aperture with the Beyond 2 model, aka the S10 Plus model, the only one to have an optical zoom lens as well, making it the most complete camera setup on the finger scanner, and possibly a S Pen will make it a divine galaxy. And it doesn't stop on that. We actually have a news for the first time on the state of bezel for the S10 family. Twitter released their eyes to news tweeted out saying that the Galaxy S10 screen to body ratio will be greatly improved. No mention on how much it will be reduced, but I'm calling it in terms of the internal power. The heart that runs the divine galaxy will be the Exynos 9820, and this will also going to be inside all of the Galaxy S10 models. It is expected to be clocked at 3.3 GHz with Meli G76 GPU with 18 cores, and this might be the last on the sales of the Note 9. How will the Note 9 perform this year will decide whether they're going to do the unification or not. This time the S Pen is getting improvements. We are having Bluetooth functionality. The Galaxy Note 9's S Pen will also going to be inside the new confirmed that there will indeed be 3 Galaxy S10 models, and it's going to be similar to Apple's 2018 lineup, meaning you will have a 5.8-inch Galaxy S10, the base S10, and then a 6.1-inch Galaxy S10 will decide the unification. Also, the Galaxy S10 could get even more divine by getting the front dual camera setup for better bokeh selfies and possibly for wide-angle selfie capabilities. According are super huge, and I honestly think if you can hold off right now, it will definitely going to be worth your money because of all the upgrades and all the features we are seeing. For the release date of the S10, it is expected to be around at MWC 2019 in Barcelona in the month of February. I'm super excited for the S10, but it's still far away. Currently, the Note 9 is almost upon us, and it could be the last separate Note release. Along with it, Samsung has a new wireless charger, Duo. It's coming, it is leaked, and it will allow 2 phones to be fast charge simultaneously, or you can charge your Galaxy Watch, which is going to be the new watch that Samsung will be announcing pretty soon, along with your phone at the same time. So yeah guys, that's all on the Galaxy phone. This is truly my dream camera setup on a Samsung phone. I really want to see that. And thankfully now KGI, the famous Apple analyst, he has a great track record, and he has turned his attention to Samsung and revealed some accurate information. He has further confirmed will be on the side. Samsung is doing this because they want the base model of the Galaxy S10 to look similar to the bigger models, because Samsung might be merging the Note and S lineup together in one. The last time we heard a news like this was back when the Note 7 exploded, and we all speculated that Samsung might be bringing the Note lineup in the S lineup, introducing it as a new product entirely. DJ Ko himself at the event where he was spotted with the Note 9, he said that the optical fingerprint scanner is not good for user experience. It's kind of inconsistent and not dependable, which is why Samsung waited, and they're going to use the better ultrasonic fingerprint solution for the Galaxy S10 family. Now, Qualcomm's ultrasonic tech was tested by CNET. It actually uses sound waves to generate a map of your fingerprint. It can scan the finger even if it's wet, which is something that the finger scan on the Vivo phone cannot do, and it has a lag time of just 250 milliseconds and has a 1% rejection rate, and it's about 0.15 millimeter in size, meaning it won't be making. And then the biggest model will have a 6.4-inch display. Nichiko expects the large 2 S10 models to include an in-display fingerprint scanner, and the small model will have the fingerprint scanner on the side. Yes guys, on the side, for the first time on a Samsung phone, we will see a fingerprint scanner on the side, a thin fingerprint reader, but that didn't happen, and that rumor has returned for the second time that Samsung might be merging the Note and S lineup, which means that the Galaxy Note 9 might actually be into the Korean media. Time Samsung uses the Meli GPU because Samsung is working on their own GPUs for future Galaxy phones, mid-range and flagships. Now, one super exciting news is that Samsung has announced the first 8GB LPDDR5 DRAM for 5G AI-powered mobile application, meaning this could be inside of a phone, of a Samsung phone in the future, and this could be inside of the Galaxy S10 along with the 7nm Exynos chipset, and this combination might actually make the S10 family the most powerful in in the world when it comes to mobile phone performance. Guys, the changes with the S10 families or S10 Note, whatever the name will be, personally I think it's kind of great. With releasing just one set of flagships, Samsung could focus on improving their software, especially making the updates faster, which is still actually slower compared to the other third-party manufacturers. Again, let me know your thoughts about all the news and the Divine Galaxy in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.